Hello guys, welcome back. During online class, are you bored of sitting in front of your laptop just to hang up when the section gets over? Now that I'm here, the wait is over. Won't it be cool if your Teams or any other app closes automatically after your section ends? Yeah, that's what I'm going to show you today. Let's get started. Here you can find bunch of batch file programs I made, and I will be explaining it in my upcoming videos. So stay tuned. And today I'm gonna explain this app. I named it as AppQuitter. First I will explain how this app works, and later we will see how to install this in your computer. Now I have launched this program. Here you can see a welcome screen, and it will ask you to enter the duration of your section in minutes. For now I am giving 1 minute, and after pressing enter it will ask you to choose the application which you want to close. Here I have given 3 applications predefined, and you can also choose any other app too if you want by entering one. For now I am gonna choose Themes. Here you can enter both upper or lower case. After pressing enter, the timer starts. After 1 minute, Themes will hang up the section and quits. This is how this app works. Now let's see how to choose other application. Same here, first enter the time and choose one, and it will take you to the screen where you have 2 options. One, you can enter the name of the application, or if you don't know the name of the application you want to close, you can enter 2 to learn how to find the name of the application. Suppose I want to close the Paint app after 1 minute, and I'm entering the application name as Paint. After 1 minute it won't close because actual application name is something else. So let's learn how to find the application name by entering 2. Now it will show some list of instructions you have to follow to find the name of the application. Let's follow the instructions. First, go to Start and type the name of the application, and right click on that application and choose Open File Location. And here you will find that application and right click on it and choose Properties. And now in this dialog box, in target field box, you have to copy the name before .exe. For example here, MS Paint. This is the application name for the paint. Now I am entering MS Paint in the program, and after 1 minute, Paint application will be closed. This is how we have to find the name of the application. Now let's see how to install AppQuitter in your PC. And now go to this website, which is given in the description of this video. Follow these steps given here to install AppQuitter in your PC. Step 1. Click that link and a zip file will be downloaded. Now we have to extract that file. After extracting that file, we have to create the shortcut for that .bat file, because to change the icon for the AppQuitter, to change the icon of that file, Right click on that file and choose Properties, and a dialog box pop-ups. In that, click Browse and choose the extracted AppQuitter file. In that, you will find AppQuitter icon. Choose that. Now icon will be changed. When we run AppQuitter file, window protected your PC dialog box appears on your screen. In this case, just click More Info and click Run Anyway. It's a one-time process and it won't be asked every time for this file. If you like this video, please like, share and comment. And if you like this and don't want to miss my cool videos, what are you waiting for? Click the subscribe button and also click the bell icon so you will never miss it. Bye guys. Till then, stay tuned.